Hello, welcome to another dynamic DIY video. And today I'm going to show you how to make salsa using a few ingredients you might have on hand. First, we're going to cut up our tomatoes. Make sure you cut the tomatoes and clean out the insides because you do not want to have watery salsa. Once you're finished, save the insides and keep them to use for something else. Now we're going to cut half of an onion, a yellow onion. You can also use red onion. Chop them up evenly. Then get green onion. You need 2 stalks of green onion and chop it up evenly. Next, you're going to use jalapeños. You're going to slice them in half and devein them. You can keep some of the seeds if you like a spicy salsa. Now you are going to use cilantro. Chop it up. You'll need about a half a cup. Last, you're going to add garlic and some lemon juice, and you're going to put it in your blender. Last, add cumin and salt, blend it nicely, and voila, you have something to eat with a few chips, or you could use them for tacos. You could use it for anything. I hope this was helpful.